Jason, and here is my GenStone project. I chose vanilla bean to be a contrast to the color of the house. Well, I'll say more like the CEO of the house, aka my wife, chose the color and told me to get this one, so that's why we chose vanilla bean. I think it looks pretty good though. There are 6 panels on each side. There are 6 panels over here and 6 panels on that side. And on the top are the ledger pieces to finish it off. On the pillars are corner pieces. These lights up here were a little tricky, but I just etched them out and then put caulk around it to fill in all the gaps. And because we live in Florida, our house is concrete block, and the stucco on the house is kind of uneven on these pillars. So they say that 17 inches is supposed to be the corner, but I had some areas where it didn't quite work right. So if I had any gaps in the corner pieces, I just used the color matching caulk to fill that in. On the edge here, hopefully you can see it okay. I wanted this to be kind of filled in nice, so I also just used the same color matching caulk and ran it all the way up down this edge. I was looking for a piece that kind of would fill this out, but didn't really see anything. But I thought the color matching caulk actually worked pretty good here. So the way I did this, my whole project, was I just used a circular saw to cut everything, and then to attach, I just used the recommended glue. I think that was the PL4 type. It's whatever they recommended. And then because again my house is concrete block, I used Tapcons to then further attach the pieces to the house. This took about 3 to 4 weekends, and it's mostly for these pillars. These walls took 4 hours each maybe, but these pillars took all the rest of the time. They were quite time consuming, but I think they look pretty good. Also, this install is about 5 months old, and being in Florida, currently right now it's rainy season, and they look perfect. So if you're concerned about rain and weather and whatever else, don't be. It's perfectly fine. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your GenStone project.